Did you guys see the horrible music video by the Eminem in the middle of the UFC event? Right after Cory Sandhagen knocked out Frankie Edgar, we got this shitty music video. The music itself was horrible and the music video was even worse. Is UFC going to replace the legendary Face the Pain with this? I'd rather listen to Face the Pain than Eminem's Higher song. Before you Eminem stans, go defend Eminem on the comment section. I'm not saying that Eminem is a bad artist. He's a bad artist now, but of course he's one of the greatest rap artists of all time. I loved his music when I was a teenager. That was a long time ago. Eminem is now washed up and he's making the worst music in hip hop right now. It's like seeing older fighters continue fighting. It's painful to watch. UFC, this is not how you connect with the younger demographic. I bet all my money that whoever put this together is an old white guy.
Oh, you know the vibes.
What you got next?
I don't even know. Yeah. You know the vibes of whoopty.
If you need a younger person who follows the hip hop pop culture, who listen to new music all the time, hire me or hire somebody like me to give you advice, because this is so out of touch. I will do that for free. That's how bad this shit is. Anyway, because of this horrible music by Eminem, lot of fans have been complaining. We have even Caitlyn Shugigan saying that am I only one who was uncomfortable during the Eminem /UFC /Dana White collab. Jamal tweets Eminem rapping in boxing ring for UFC video. Yeah, that was funny. We have Greg Rosenthal tweeting, this Eminem song has overtaken the Toyo Tires commercial as the most annoying part of the UFC podcast. We have MMA Roasted also tweeting that Eminem video made me long for the good old days of rap with Tyron Woodley. I'd rather listen to Tyron Woodley's music than Eminem's new music. Falling in another love with you. Falling in another love. Like, I'd rather listen to that than the new Eminem music. It's so hilarious how UFC tried to connect with the younger demographic, but it completely has now backfired. Even people in Reddit is complaining about Eminem's music, saying that it ruined the mood after the Amazing KO. The song was too long, ESPN sucks, it ruined my day, and so forth so on. So as you guys see, like 90% of people hated this song. There are so many great artists out there. For UFC to pick Eminem out of hundreds of great artists baffles me. Let me know down in the comment section which rapper or pop artist you wanna see replace Eminem. Also subscribe to this channel, like this video if you like, stay safe, stay healthy, goodbye.